Good afternoon, Josh. We're down here at Bavarian today working on this older X5. Could you let me know what the car came in for and what we're doing to address it?
Yeah, so the car came in, lack of power complaint and a half engine light. Did a fault survey, found faults for the high pressure rail sensor stuck and fuel pressure plausibility, pressure too low. Did some testing, ended up replacing the pressure sensor on the rail. Took the vehicle for another road test, faults returned, another half engine light, installed some equipment to do some data logging, and found that we were only building about 100 pounds, 100 psi high pressure fuel at idle and at wide open throttle, which is a problem. So we're replacing this high pressure fuel pump. Here's the new one. That's what it looks like. Mounts to the back of the front timing cover, is driven here. Takes your low pressure fuel, makes a high pressure fuel. So things should be running nice when we're done.